Welcome to today's market report. European stock markets are seeing opening mixed on Thursday, with the German market outperforming after positive economic data while the Bank of England kept monetary policy unchanged. Investors remain focused on the timing of the latest US relief bill and the ongoing earnings season. DAX future this morning traded 0.3% higher, FTSE fell 0.5%, CAC 40 dropped 0.5%. In Germany, factory orders soared in June, climbing 27.9%, data showed earlier on Thursday, far above the 10% gain expected. This provided hope that Europe's manufacturing engine may be recovering more quickly than expected from the coronavirus-related downturn. Top congressional Democrats and White House officials appeared to harden their stances on the new coronavirus relief plan on Wednesday. There are no top-line numbers that have been agreed to. We continue to be trillions of dollars apart in terms of what Democrats and Republicans hopefully will ultimately compromise on, said White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows late Wednesday. Meanwhile, the global death toll from COVID-19 is now over 707,000, according to data from Johns Hopkins. In the US, California reported its second dead list day from the virus on Wednesday, and Florida's case count topped 500,000. In corporate news, Lufthansa posted a second quarter loss of 1.5 billion euros, and German airline said it does not expect air travel demand to return to pre-crisis levels before 2024. Credit Agricole, France's second largest listed bank, reported a 22% drop in quarterly profit on Thursday as it took provisions of 842 million euros against potential bad loans, while insurer AXAF's net income fell 39% as it booked a 1.5 billion euro charge for claims related to COVID-19. Adidas reported a second quarter operating loss of 333 million euros. But the sportswear firm said it expects a rebound in profit in the third quarter. Oil prices pushed higher on Thursday, maintaining the positive momentum generated on Wednesday after the Energy Information Administration reported a much bigger than expected drop in US crude stockpiles. US crude future this morning traded 0.5% lower at $42.41 a barrel. Brent contract rose 0.8% to $42.41 a barrel. Gold futures rose 0.6% to $2,048.90 per ounce, continuing to set record highs after breaking past the $2,000 an ounce mark. On the FX front, GBP USD was lifted 40 pips on the back of positive message from the Bank of England. The BOE has left its policy unchanged without descent toward negative rates. Growth forecasts have been substantially upgraded, while officials are content with positive high-frequency figures. In the meantime, the pair cable has hit 131.83, the highest since March, showing that the BOE's decision includes powerful punches. Cable may continue higher after the BOE's upbeat message, potentially breaking above 132, according to the FX Street, thus reaching levels that were last seen in February. The next significant moves depend on the disease, which remains the boss. Euro-dollar is trading at 118.73, representing a 11.6% gain on the low of 1.0636. observed in March, having recently clocked a 26-month high of 119.09. According to the UOB group, that the pair euro-dollar could advance to 120 on a close above 119.30 in the next weeks. The dollar struggled yesterday under the weight of worries in the US economic recovery may lag other countries due to a high level of coronavirus infections. The dollar index was flat at 92.814. This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.